Have you ever found a compound that you tried to name, but then when you tried it done busted your brain? Well, let me show you a trick about how to name. I was talking to Miss Mardis about compound names. The way to start it is to look for the H. If it don't have one, then you just gotta wait. If it does got one, then use the acid list. Walk through the steps and you get through this. If it doesn't have an H, then look for the 2 elements in the compound to know what to do. I saw the 3, so I used the poly list. And I thought, Miss Mardis, thanks for the gift. I looked at the flow charts that you told us to use. If you saw my grade without it, then you wouldn't be amused. Let's start talking about the binary. If you see this, it'll end in IDE. When I talk about binary, you know what I mean. It's just 2 elements fused together, you see. You got to believe all it is just a name. Use the flow chart to get through the game. Miss Mardis, you got to believe. Just add letters to the end and you'll see that it's just nothing. Miss Mardis, you got to believe all it is just a name. Use the flow chart to get through the game. So I took your advice about having a medal, and if you don't, then you just gotta settle. Cause without it, you simply end at a non-metal. Got your prefixes and that's a fact, such as di 2, tri 3, and on like that. Tetra 4, penta 5, all the way up to 10. So we started naming off a couple examples, getting familiar with our chemistry samples. NaCl is a very simple one. Keep the sodium chlorine, you remember how it go. Add the IDE and see what you know. That's it for starting with the formulas. Now go from the compound names to balancing the charges and playing the game. The one that Mardis taught you, baby, you know. You got to balance the charges, you see what I mean. You need 3 minus 1s to make AL happy. Any other way and it would just sound crappy.
You got to believe all it is just a name. I'd 6, 8 Celsius in the game. Miss Mardis, you got to believe. Just add letters to the end and the prefix when you begin. Miss Mardis, you got to believe all it is just a name. I 6, 8 Celsius in the game.
Listen up, yo, binary acids are hydro X. 8s make X and I's make Us's. Ternary acids are oxy acids, H bonded to polyatomics. Solids, liquids, and all the other gases. You gotta know it to get your grade passing.